माझो एकूच डिमांड आसा की डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मोर्मुगांवान जी नोटीस 19 जूनाक काडिल्ली लँड एक्विजिशनची रेल्वेज एक्टा अंडर ब्रिटीश कायद्या अंडर जी नोटिफिकेशन काडिल्ली ती तांणी रिवोक करची, फाटल्यान घेवची आनी लोकांक सुसेग दिवचो. हे कोवीड टायमार तुमी फोर्सान लोकांची जमनी घेवन व्हडले 2-3 बिझनेसमॅनाचो प्रॉफीट करपा लागून आख्खे गोंय काबार करूंक सोदता. ते लोक केन्नाय जावपा दिवपाचे नात. हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग केन्नाय जावपाचें ना. लोक हाजे खातीर कितेंय करपाक तयार आसा. सबंद गोंयचो लोक हे रेल्वे ट्रॅक कशे भशेन मेळून बंद करतले हाजी आमकां खात्री आसा.
रायट फ्रॉम 2004 आमी हे एक्सपान्शन प्लॅन ब्लॉक केलेलो आसा. आमचो पयलींचो आमदार लेट मातानी साल्दना तेणेन ऑब्जेक्शन काडलेलें आसा. आमची प्रेझेंट MLA ती ऑब्जेक्ट करता आनी जोरूय रेल्वेन हे सगल्यांक बायपास करून फुडें गेले जाल्यार आयज सरकार हो दाखयता की हो इलेक्टेड सरकार न्हू, हो सालाजार रूल म्हणून. आनी आमचे गांवचे लोक कितें करपाचें आमी करतलेच. आयज पॅन्डमीक आसूनय आयज लोक आयले कितले डेंजर लायफ घेवनूय. जोरी आयज आमकां येवपाक शकता जाल्यार हेच्या फुडल्यान ही एज्युकेशन खंय पावतली म्हणजे सरकारान चिंतपाक जाय.
आपण गव्हर्मेंट हें कोन्ना, लेजिस्लेशन कोन्ना, केस जातलें. तुमी लोकांक कितें सांगूंक सोदता ही? हें काल ऑलरेडी उलयलां, हांव आयज उलयतां. हांवें आमगे ऑपोजिशन लेटर सांगिलां तुमी लोक म्हणजे हातरायतले एसेंब्ली केन्ना जाल्यार सांगपा काम केलां. हांव रेडी आहा. एसेंब्ली 3 दीस न्ही, 10 दीस न्ही, 5 दीस कर, हांव रेडी आहा. चल
सीएमान ऑलरेडी ऑल पार्टी डिसिजन आसा की एका दिसान एसेंब्ली
CM पड कितें उलयता न्ही. CMान पयस सद्याक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, बरें सांगिल्लें ती म्हाका. CMान तें कॅपॅसिटी आसल्यार तेणें सांगपा जाय आसलें. कितें सांगपा जाय आसलें? भिवपा गरज ना म्हणपा जाल्यार एसेंब्ली करया म्हणे. तेणें म्हणलें काय विचार ताका पार्टी मागीर उलय. CMान म्हणलां CMान सांग पयलीं सांग भिवपा गरज ना, एसेंब्ली करया म्हणून सांग. मागीर हांव सपोर्ट करून सांग पयलो. आनी दुसरे CMाक खबर आमकां विचारना काय.
Opposa. That is not the issue. People have gathered here in large numbers during the time of pandemic. आम्ही म्हणता या assembly कित्याक डिस्कस जायना? Why they are running away from the assembly? Today we see 2 MLAs standing here and talking to people. If this was taken in the assembly, people would have known who is with the people of Goa and who is not with the people of Goa. हांगा pandemic assembly लागता, हांगा लागना. So the question is, you have to convene the assembly. Special session has to be taken only on this issue. The matter will be over. They don't want to sit in the assembly. They want to run away from the assembly. ते म्हणटा आपल्याक कोविड जातली. हांगा कोविड जायना. हांगा MLA आसा ताणें सांगचें कित्याक लोकांक मिसगायड करपाक जाय. The issue is to be taken up in the assembly. People will know who is with them and who is not with them. That's all.
One second, can you please?
Assembly घेवपाक सोदिना. आणि budget session, it is a very important session. They are saying they will get affected. आख्या गोंयच्या लोकांचो पयसो कसो मोडपाचो ते आतां एसेंब्लीन डिस्कस करूंक सोदिना. कसो मोडला तो, कितली चोरी जाल्या ती. दे आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द एसेंब्ली. ते म्हणटा आमकां भिरांत दिसता जिवाची आनी ह्या लोकांक भिरांत दिसना आपल्या जिवाची. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, पीपल डोंट वॉन्ट द रेल्वे ट्रॅक, डबल ट्रॅक. That is ruled out. The double track is ruled out, but we have to know who is with the people and who is not with the people in the assembly. We have to see how they talk. The issue is over.
स्पेशल सेशन आहोवची म्हणटा.
स्पेशल सेशन आता बजेट सेशन आसा तितूंतल्यान इथे धांवूंक सोदता. हांव म्हणटा कितें स्पेशल सेशन डिमांड करा. शी इज सेइंग दॅट ऑल MLAs have agreed not to hold a session. अरे हांकां कित्याक निवडून दिल्या?
बेसिकली वन दिस डबल ट्रॅकिंग
एक दीस आख्खो डेडिकेट करूंक जाता मरे हाजेर. आख्खो दीस एक बजेटाचो दीस, बजेट सेशनाचो दीस डेडिकेट करूंक जाता. दे शूड बी व्हेरी क्लियर ऑन दॅट. देन पीपल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड विल कम टू नो what is happening in the assembly. The issue will be resolved through that.
Do you think this is a question of only Kasali or all of Goa? People are agitated.
Double tracking is affecting not only Kasauli, it is affecting the Mole Wildlife Sanctuary. So whole of Goa is affected. And they कोणा खातीर करता? I don't want to go into this. Everybody knows that. तेच time pass करता है. तेच सांगून हांगा lecture आयकूंक येवंक ना. We have come to see a solution, and the solution is go to the assembly and throw it up before the people. That's all. Yeah.
Now, first of all, I would like to say that this is not an issue for different parties to take political mileage. The same people who are talking big have not even put a single statement on this issue. Okay? We have been there right from inception because we love Goa. We are concerned about the people of Goa. We are concerned about our land. Okay? And therefore, when we want to show our concern and want to place our request, there are certain steps to be followed. Sometimes it's not easy just to cancel. I remember the Konkan railway agitation. I was involved. I got beaten up. I was put in jail. Okay? All that I went through. Why? Because we love Goa. Did it happen overnight? Even then, many things did not happen. But because of the agitation, many things were put in place. So, it is a process that we have to go. Allow things to happen. Today's inspection, the purpose was to show to the Chief Minister how houses will be affected. The proximity. Now here is the convent where little children are living. Now we want to show how close the convent is to the tracks. And now with increase in the number of trains, increase in speed, increase in coal dust pollution, increase in noise pollution, what is going to be the condition of those little children living there? That is what we want to show, and that is what Chief Minister wants to know. Now, what have we achieved today? Have we achieved anything today? Why not? Why can't you allow things to happen? We all know what our goal is. I have been fighting right from inception.